I wanted to show you one of the trays that I make up for Ava each week. I try to do either something math or science related that's just like a fun activity that she can do during break times when we're doing school. So this particular one, I'm using these trays that we got from the Target dollar spot, and this one is using dominoes. So I used the book Domino Edition, which was just, you know, a fun little book that she can read and kind of use the dominoes along with. I have a set of dominoes in here that we got from the thrift store a couple years ago. And then I pulled a few activity cards from this set that we got on Amazon. So I just pulled a few that I thought either would be easy for her, would be fun, or might be a slight challenge. So I just pulled ones that I thought looked good, basically. And yeah, she's had a lot of fun with it. And so this is just these little trays from Target they fit right inside, I'll show a video clip in a minute, of the, like they rest right on the top of the little 3-tier carts that you can get at Target. So I have my story tray for Wyatt, and then I have one for Ava, and then I'm still deciding what to do on the other one. But anyway, this has been a fun activity for her, and I'll change this out weekly. And yeah, I just thought I would share it with you. It's kind of her version of a story tray, except it's not a story. But she likes it that there's a tray there for her. So it has been a lot of fun. And actually, even Wyatt has done this one too. So I make it for her, but they both kind of enjoy it. So let me now show you what I had on Wyatt's story tray, which was also on that cart. Alright, here was Wyatt's story tray for this past week. I used the book 10 Red Apples by Pat Hutchins. This is kind of an oldie but goodie. But Wyatt really likes math and math problems, so this one I thought would provide a lot of opportunity for math. But essentially there's an apple tree, and the animals come along and one by one eat the apples, and the farmer on each page says save some for me, as they count down from 10 down to 0. And finally at the end the farmer gets one, but then his wife comes along and says, you didn't save any for me, and she wanted to make an apple pie. So they find another tree, and all is right with the world. But anyway, so there's a lot of good math opportunities in this book, and both the kids love the repeat, save some for me. So there's also good opportunities in this book for sequencing, you know, which animal ate the first apple, which animal ate the second apple. You can kind of retell the story, which is kind of the point of this activity for Wyatt, as well as to just encourage play. We had some flashcards here at some point, but they have traveled, so that he could make up on his math problems if he wanted to. But the most important part was the book, and then the pieces and parts of the story. So I just pulled all our little figures. We had one for each of the animals in the story, so I pulled all of those. I have these little apple counters from a Scholastic math kit that we had, but I also have apple erasers, and you could easily just use apple erasers that you can get like from the Target dollar spot right now. I pulled 2 little wooden dollhouse figures that we had to be the farmer and his wife, and then I put some Duplos on there. So he built the tree, and then he was able to act out the story and do all kinds of craziness with all the pieces. But he really, really enjoyed it. Ava wanted to play with it too, so they both really had a lot of fun with it. There was a lot of creative thinking, a lot of imaginative play, and like I said, a lot of math as well. So this one was a big hit. That's okay. If you don't want to use that big one, you don't have to. Tree building, yeah. could be the farmer? Oh, that'd be a good farmer. Got lots of apples there.
And he ate.
Oh, there's still lots of apples left though, huh?
Then the cow. And it climbed a tree.
It climbed the tree? Alright, and here is how those trays just fit in this cart. This is a cart from Target, and they'd fit. The lip of the tray fits just over the edge of the cart, so I need to label this cart a little better, and put another tray down there, but it's working really well. So I just thought I'd share that little tip with you.